This is the speaking test of International English Language Testing System, which is taking place at English Achievers. The candidate name is Ima Sultana Fahima. The candidate number is EA5643. The examiner name is Sabrina Vintamuni. The examiner number is EA1007. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
So, may I know your full name, please?
Yes, my name is Ima Sultana Fahima. You can call me Ima.
Well, Ima, ma'am, can I see your identification, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Fine, ma'am. Where are you from?
I'm from Kumilla.
Okay. Do you work or are you a student?
I'm a student at Shalala University of Science and Technology, studying in Department of English.
Nice. So, now I'm going to ask you some of your personal questions about yourself in part 1.
Okay.
So, let's talk about giving gifts. When do people give gifts or presents in your country?
In my country, people usually give gift in many occasions like birthday party and wedding ceremony and also Eid and others. So it's our cultural things.
Nice. Do you ever take a gift when you visit someone in their home?
When I visit someone home, I usually take a small gift like sweets, fruits, like that. And
Nice. When did you last receive a gift?
as far as I remember, I received a gift on my birthday. My friends give me painting materials. When I found it, I feel so happy and
Thank you. Do you enjoy looking for gifts for people?
yes, I enjoy looking for gifts because when I looking for something and gave them something, I think they feel surprised and happy. So I looking for gifts.
Thank you. Let's talk about games. What games are popular in your country?
Our country, I think many games have popular, but most popular game is cricket. It's famous in our country. So cricket.
Nice. Do you play any games?
I play many games, but I prefer basketballs. Sometimes I play it.
Okay. How do people learn to play games in your country?
I think most of the people learn from her friends or their friends, and sometimes they can learn in school, but it's rare some people join in a club and learn
Okay.
about it.
What do you think? Is it important to play for people?
Yes, because if people play any types of sports, they feel relaxed. It's also benefit for health, mental stress, and that's why.
Let's talk about friends. Do you prefer to have one particular friend or a group of friends?
Well, it's depend on my mood, but I most prefer with a group friendship because if I stay there, I learn many things like their culture, their behaviors, and also how to stay together.
Nice.
Stay
Then,
with friends.
what do you like doing most with your friends?
As a talkative girl, I always talk much with my friends, and I usually share my experience and what I feel in my life background, in my personality. I also share.
Nice. Do you think it's important to keep in contact with friends you knew as a child?
Yes, it's important because we know that childhood friends know everything know about us, so they know who I am, our background, and our family background, where I come from. So they know everything for. So it is important to contact with them.
Nice. Thank you. That is the end of our speaking part 1. Now we are moving to part 2. So in this part 2, I would like to ask you a cue card. And for this cue card, I'm going to provide you a piece of paper and pen for making some words. Here is your piece of paper and here Here is your pen.
Thank you.
But listen very carefully. You will have in total 2 or 3 minutes. So in this 2 or 3 minutes, you will have 1 minute for making some notes and 1 or 2 minutes for speaking. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So your today's topic is describe something lost by others but found by you, or describe a time you found something that someone lost. You should say what it was, when and where did you find it, what you did do after you found it, and explain how you felt after finding it. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here is your today's topic. You can start your note making now. Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Don't need to worry about your time if I stop you. So you can start your speaking now.
Well, a few days ago, I went to my university by bus, and then I noticed a phone set on the bus. I don't know uh, who is the owner of this phone.
Mhm.
Then I usually pick up the phone and for someone who has lost the phone. Then I looking surrounding. Then I couldn't find someone. Then I usually, luckily, the phone is unlocked. Then I search contact number, and then I found a number which write down or saved like as dead. Then I called him and say about what happens there. I found the phone. I don't know who is the owner. Then he went to my university and collected the phone, and then he was very thankful to me, and also he was happy. And that time I feel if we something found and give someone, it's so precious moment for us.
Nice, thank you. Can I have your piece of paper and question back, please?
Yes.
Thank you. So you have been talking about Akio, correct? Now I would like to ask you some follow-up questions related to this
Okay.
topic. What kinds of people may lose things often?
I think most of the people who are distracted, absent-minded, and also uh, and also distract, they usually have no any or they don't know organized things, so they usually
Then,
lost something.
yeah, what can we do to prevent losing important things?
I think it's should everyone to organize something like organize the habits. What we should do, like a list or something do where a place where we can important things store there, and so that we can find easily.
Okay. What would you do if you saw something valuable but didn't belong to you on the street?
Well, if I find something on the street valuable, I usually pick up very carefully, and then I looking for who is the owner. And if I don't get the someone who's this items, then I usually go to police or station and give them.
I have to understand. And what kinds of things have you lost so far?
I'm a very conservative person, so I don't lost many things. But sometimes I lost few things in the past, like including pens. Sometimes my mobile phone also I lost, and most significant things I always lost. It is hairband. Sometimes like comb.
After losing these things, what you do exactly?
Mm, when I something lost, then I usually say to me, please stay calm, don't worry about it, you can find it. So then I looking for where I usually lost things. It's possible to. Then if I don't find it, then I usually say my mother and also my friends, and they can help me to find it.
Thank you so much. That is the end of our spelling test today. Have a
Thank you.
good luck, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.